manufacturer of wiring harnesses for classic and vintage cars, Melbourne, Victoria. This is Australia's oldest and most respected manufacturer of high-quality replacement wiring harnesses for classic and vintage cars. A very rare offering to the market, this is an opportunity that a classic car enthusiast will not want to miss. Established for over 45 years, the business is currently based in Melbourne, but is fully relocatable to anywhere in Australia. Under current ownership for 17 years, the business has continued to grow with more products and an expanded client base. Operating in a specialised segment of the large classic car restoration industry, this business has little competition. The product range covers Australian, American, English and European vehicles, from the 1920s to the Australian muscle car period. Servicing both the professional restoration industry and private restorers, most products are sold direct. The business also has a refurbishing service for original wiring and makes old-style battery cables and high-tension spark plug leads to order. The sale includes a library of working diagrams to replicate harnesses at a fraction of the cost of a rewire. The business also exports to most countries, with repeat clients in the UK and Europe, New Zealand and the US.